Hello guys, my name is Lance Christopher Divitlando and I decided to make a video in YouTube because I have a dream and I see my vision to myself that I'm becoming a rich man, and I always say to myself that and I can't get over about it, and I manifest it on every side I'll say, and all I manifest is that I get it. Because I manifest getting a motorcycle, I manifest getting a bracelet, I manifest getting home, I manifest getting you a good shape body. All that I get. That's what I'm saying. That all I want is I gotta get it, and now I wanted to become rich and wealthy to my family and my future, and I'm serious about it. And hindi ko na mahayaan yung lahat ng bagay na masira sa akin. Focus na ako sa sarili ko. Ito na ako simula. This is the start and it will happen. This is the first video I made and I'm rooting for myself and I know I can do this. Please help me to reach my goal and support me. Thanks guys. Sana support niyo ako and yun. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you in my next vlog, and this is my start and help me reach higher.